Hey guys, this is RLC321's Fantastic Plastic, back again with another build. This is a kind of like a quickie one-off kind of things. I've got a package and I wanted to have an unbagging boxing thingamabobby with you guys while I'm having a look at this, because this is just something that I thought a little bit fun, a little bit to get away from plastic all the time. So I thought, I saw this on eBay and I thought, you know what, I might as well. It was relatively cheap. And yeah, there we go, that's it. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Nope, nothing else in there. There we go. So this is what it is: a Doctor Who model making kit. Now inside it we have an instruction manual, and what I believe you'll be able to do is you can make the TARDIS. I'm not too worried about the TARDIS. Dalek, K9, and the head of a Cyberman. You know, it gives you instructions on how to do it. K9 looks relatively easy. It's basically just cardboard. Okay, that's all it pretty much is. Just cardboard where everything folds into place. And you know, I just thought, you know, it's something a little different. You know, it'll be pretty cool just to have a little go of it, and you know, just a little something. I probably won't do a full-on build. Actually, do you know what? I'll do a full-on build of some of these and just go through what it is and then show what it's like. I may do K9 as the first one. Oh, I can't even get it out. Look, fucking box now. Come on, there we go. That's it. So that's it. So it's not going to be much bigger than that. Obviously about that wide. That's what it's going to be. How would you open this thing anyway? Is it fully sealed? Oh, there it is. Let's put that there. So it's actually quite thin cardboard, which I didn't expect. Oh, I like that. There should be another piece for this as well somewhere. There's also the inside of the TARDIS as well, and it looks like this is David Tennant's Doctor Who. There's some pieces for the Dalek right there, small pieces for the Dalek. K9 is quite a nice size actually. I'm quite impressed with that. Let's try and keep these into some kind of order. So we've got K9, Dalek. They were the Dalek, yes. So we put the Dalek over there. We've got some more parts of the TARDIS. So that goes in the TARDIS area. Then we got the Dalek just there. And the Cyberman. Some more Dalek. More Dalek. Cyberman. Bit more Dalek. Dalek seems to be quite big. That's K9. And that's K9 as well. And TARDIS, and they look like there's going to be the Cyberman. So Cyberman is going to go underneath before the TARDIS, because this is how in the order I want to build them in. I want to do K9 first, because I mean ideally I've found a wood, the same place I got the wooden TARDIS from. I found that they also do a wooden Dalek as well, so I'm going to be purchasing that. Oh yeah, hell yes I am, as well. And they also do like the Jeff Wayne's War of the Worlds version of the tripod walker, the tripod Martian as well. I'm not going to worry about that plastic thingy and putting it back in, because I'm going to be using these at some point. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing K9 first, then I'm going to be doing the Dalek, then the Cyberman head, and then the TARDIS. And it's just something little bit fun. I mean, I've seen these going on eBay for anywhere between 20 anywhere between 20 to 25 pounds or more. I paid £3.50 for this, so I'm quite chuffed with it. Yeah, I am. And as I say, it's just press them out, clip them together. I'm going to be, I mean it says clip them together, I'm going to actually use wood glue to put them together. But there we go, just a little thing right there that I'm going to be doing a bit later. So I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this little bit of an unboxing, bagging, envelopey thing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.